Welcome to the Greenhouse Hoop Bender Comparison, DIY or Buy. The DIY tubing bender versus the Bootstrap bender. Part 4, Simple Bending Technique. In parts 1 through 3, we discovered that you can DIY your greenhouse hoop bender to save you money, have effortless bending, and consistent quality hoops. Here in this video, part 4, we'll explore another reason why you may want to DIY your hoop bender. The DIY tubing bender is easier to use. What are Bootstrap farmer customers saying about their benders? In a recent review on their website, Anonymous wrote on May 18th, 2021, easy to mount to a picnic bench, and with 2 people bending the hoops, it was easy. And another Anonymous wrote on April 20th, 2021, it's a learning curve, but it's not hard to get used to it. On a recent Amazon review, Chuck C7 said, on June 28th, 2020, it's worth looking into online how to set it up because that really matters. I got the hang of it after a couple of pulls. What are the differences in the bending techniques between the 2 benders? Let's take a look. What's the Bootstrap farmer method? Well, you have to get the tube and then measure and mark every 18 inches. Then you're supposed to bend the tubing at every 18-inch point. And on the last bend, you use an included leverage pull to put some more force on it. Let's compare to the DIY tubing bender method. Just insert and bend. How do you bend? You just go till this end is down here. Now, you don't need those apple bottom jeans or the boots with the fur. Even if the homestead was looking at her, you get the tube, you grab a hold, then you just get low, 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 low. Check it out now. Easy greenhouse hoops. Theme song not included. You really can't mess it up. Why can't you mess it up? Well, let me show you. You see these yellow things right here? These are what we call bend guards. In a video of a Bootstrap farmer customer, they said that when you bend the tubing and it goes crooked, that's called whomper jaw. So these could be also called anti-whomper jaws. So with the do-it-yourself tubing bender, you really can't bend the tube crooked. You just insert and bend, voila. No crooked tubes. Simple. So what's the answer? DIY or buy? Which one is simpler to use? The DIY tubing bender. Just insert and bend. Is saving money, effortless bending, better hoops, and an easier to use bender are not enough? Let me show you one more reason why the DIY tubing bender may make your greenhouse construction a little bit easier. The DIY tubing bender is 10 times faster. So join us in our next video, part 5, where we explore which bender is easier to use. If you found value in this video, could you please leave a comment below, like and subscribe? And if you know of someone that you think this could help, could you please share it with them? For more information on the DIY tubing bender or the practical DIY greenhouse, you can go to resourcefulmechanic.com. All the information that we talked about in this video will be below in the show notes, so you can check them out there. We hope you have a great day on the homestead and in your garden. Bye.